Good afternoon, my name is Catherine. Today I'm going to present my last vacation. I visit New York. I visit New York with my family, with my uncle, with my nephew, with my husband, and with my best friend. We took one flight with Avianca Flights since Bogota to New York. We traveled 6 hours approximately. In our garbage, we get we got different things, like for example sweater, pants, shoes, boots, shirts, bags, hat, blocks, socks, short, camera, cell phone, and different things because was a good experience. In here we visit Statue of Liberty into we add stairs, 532 stairs, and we travel to by ferry. And we travel to on Liberty Island by ferry. Sorry, and next we visit the Museum of Liberty. We saw different things. My nephew was very exciting when he saw the torch because was very big and very big thing, and we saw different pictures, dates, and different things of the museum. um, was that about created of Statue of Liberty. We arrived to Hard Rock Hotel. This hotel is a beautiful place. It was comfortable rooms and good attention. And we visit two restaurants, in Session Restaurant and Hall of Dining Restaurant. The foods and drinks was delicious. In my personal opinion, I love of the food foods in the Session Restaurant, and was a good experience. Was very happy. Thank you. Bye bye.